Welcome to week November 5th through the 11th. Shaw University Online, English 111, Fall Semester 2018. Like, wow, there's nothing to do this week? No, there is something to do this week, just like before. So last week, you uploaded your first draft to paper 3. So this is where I can get feedback to you. And you uploaded it to the discussion board where 2 of your peers will read your paper and give you good feedback. That's what we're working on this week. So you are to read and give feedback to 2 other students, and then you can continue working on your final draft of paper 3. So that is the focus of this week. Make sure that you are taking the time and effort to carefully read 2 other students' papers. This is a graded assignment. It will impact your grade, and it will help both you and them, as we've discussed previously in this class. So that is what we're doing this week. You're just giving you the time to download and read 2 other people's papers, give them feedback, good feedback, and then you can start working on your own final revision of paper 3. So that's it for November 5th through November 11th. All right. Have fun getting her done.